Hello everybody, Root Beer here with another math contest. We're going to be going through the 2001 Cayley contest, starting with this video. So that's the grade 10 level multiple choice contest put out by the Center for Education in Mathematics and Computing. Okay, so just like the Pascal, which is the grade 9 paper, and the Fermat, which is the grade 11 paper, it's multiple choice. We have 1 hour, split up into parts A, B, and C. A is worth 5, or each correct answer in A is worth 5. B, 6 points, and finally C, where the hard questions are. There's only 5 of them. Each question in part C is worth 8 points. And I try and mention it when I remember, but there's no penalty for an incorrect answer, and each unanswered question is worth 2. So we don't want to be guessing. We want to acknowledge when we know something, acknowledge when we don't. Only take a guess if you can narrow down your options, because even with 8 marks on offer in part C, random guess, on average you'll get 8 divided by 5 as that's your average number of points. That's less than the 2 points you would get if you just acknowledged, I don't know how to do this. So if you're having problems with a question, move on, leave it blank, and you can get 2 marks for free, for a maximum of 20 marks in total. You can't do the whole contest that way. Alright, so we're just going to look at question number 1 in this video. Question number 1, the value of 5 times 6 minus 3 times 4 over 6 plus 3. I believe this is actually the very first question on the Pascal as well. So there'll be a video of me having done this question as well. But there's not a whole lot to do to this question. Usually question 1 is just a straight up computation or a very simple sort of decimal comparison or something like that. So really all that's left to do is for us to just do order of operations here and make sure we get the right calculation out. So grab our paper, and we're going to write down our steps, but of course if you want to, just grab a calculator and make sure you plug everything in correctly. I think it was 6 plus 3, or was it 3 plus 6? 6 plus 3, okay. I believe when I did the Pascal, I mentioned there's a temptation to cancel this 6 and this 6, and the 3's on top and bottom, and just get 5 minus 3. This is not the way to be doing this question. We're going to sort of do order of operations. So I see multiplication here and a multiplication here. I'm going to perform them. So 5 times 6, 30, minus 3 times 4, that's 12. And we'll keep the 6 plus 3 on the bottom. And now I see I've got nothing left to do on top or bottom except some subtraction and some addition, so we're going to carry those out. 30 minus 12, that's 18 on top, and 6 plus 3 is 9 on the bottom. And finally, we can simplify this fraction a little more because 18 is 2 9s, so we'll be left with 2 over 1, which is just 2. So our final answer here is going to be 2. It's that simple. We shouldn't really be stressing about question number 1. It's designed so that just about anyone will get it. And here we have an answer of B, 2. So that's our very first answer, and we have earned ourselves 5 marks. So let's keep the trend going as we move into question number 2, but we'll have to wait for that in the next video. So thank you guys for joining me as we start off the 2001 Cayley paper. We're going to continue it on in the next video, and I will see you guys then.